Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at oddly satisfying sounds in Minecraft, like using an iron golem in Bedrock Minecraft. Today I'm going to use two different sounds. The first one is the magma cube. Pretty satisfying looking at the iron golem demolishing them. Well, if we spawn in lots of them, it's gonna be quite fun. Okay, let's just spawn in another one. Well, look at the iron golem go. Like literally. It's sending them packing. I'm gonna spawn in a few more because it's really very satisfying. Look at all the magma cream lying down. Oh, we've killed so many magmas. And of course, you guessed it. The next one is the slime, which is obviously very similar. I'll just spawn a few of them because we need large populations of them to make good noises. This is where we spawn our slime. Spawn them at the corner. So yeah, when the iron balls are destructive. Oh, this is overpopulation, like kind of. Look at this. How about some magnitude? This is oddly satisfying for some of you out there, like watching this video. It's oddly satisfying. I'll just spawn in another one because I'm a bit bored. I just want to speed things up. And they won't see this coming. Oh, I think I'm getting a little lag. I don't know about you, but I think I'm really getting a little lag here. I guess I should just kill a few of them just to minimize the little lag. I don't know if I'm experiencing lag right here. It's moving a little slow. More iron golems. And just to give it a little warning. Oh, bruh. Okay, it didn't attack the slime that I just spawned right in front of it. I'll help the max murder blocks. Look. I guess I should just collect all these slime balls and use that. Look at the magma cube and the slime balls. Like literally. Look at the big mountain there. They're just dying by the. They're just dying like crazy. Look at all the slime balls. Okay, that's all of it. I think that's all of it. Okay, so that's it for this video, and hope you enjoyed these satisfying noises, and see you next time.